Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you've ever walked into a room and wish you could instantly connect with people, or if you've admired those individuals who just seem to effortlessly draw others in, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. Charisma. We often think of charisma as some magical inborn quality, something you either have or you don't. But what if I told you that charisma isn't luck? It's not a genetic lottery you either won or lost. No, charisma is a set of behaviors, a collection of habits that anyone, and I mean anyone, can learn and cultivate. Today, we're diving deep into 5 powerful habits that will make people lean in, listen intently, and genuinely want to connect with you. Get ready to transform your interactions and boost your presence, because by the end of this video, you'll have practical, actionable steps to become more magnetic than ever before. Let's jump right in. Our first habit, and truly the foundation of all charismatic interaction, is simple yet incredibly profound. Be present. In our fast-paced, digitally distracted world, true presence has become a superpower. Think about it. How often are you in a conversation where someone is constantly checking their phone, or their eyes are darting around the room, or you can just tell their mind is a million miles away, already formulating their next response instead of truly listening to yours? It's frustrating, right? And it makes you feel unheard, unimportant. Charisma starts with attention, undivided, genuine attention. When you are truly present, you are giving someone the incredible gift of your focus. You're not just hearing their words. You're absorbing their tone, noticing their body language, understanding the emotion behind what they're saying. This isn't about being passive. It's about active listening. It's about being fully engaged in the moment, making eye contact that says, I see you, I hear you, and what you're saying matters to me. When you practice this, people don't just feel heard. They feel valued, respected, and incredibly connected to you. It's a rare and beautiful thing in today's world, and it instantly makes you stand out. So, next time you're in a conversation, challenge yourself, put your phone away, clear your mind, and just be there, fully and completely. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Moving on to our second habit for boosting your magnetism. Use open body language. Before you even utter a single word, your body is already speaking volumes. Your posture, your gestures, the way you hold yourself, these non-verbal cues communicate so much about your confidence, your approachability, and your willingness to connect. Think about someone who looks closed off, arms crossed, shoulders hunched, eyes downcast. What message are they sending? Probably something like, "Don't bother me," or "I'm not interested." Now, imagine the opposite. Someone standing tall, shoulders relaxed, hands visible, making natural, open gestures. This person instantly projects warmth, confidence, and accessibility. They're literally inviting connection. Open body language isn't just about looking approachable to others. It actually affects how you feel internally. Studies show that adopting a power pose, like standing with your hands on your hips or raising your arms in a V shape, can actually increase your testosterone and decrease your cortisol, making you feel more confident and less stressed. So, next time you're about to enter a social situation, consciously think about your posture. Uncross your arms, relax your shoulders, keep your chin up, and make sure your hands aren't hidden away. Let your body language be an open invitation, signaling to others that you are confident, friendly, and ready to engage. Your posture speaks before you do, so make sure it's saying something positive and inviting. Our third powerful habit for cultivating charisma is to speak with emotion. This isn't about being overly dramatic or theatrical. It's about bringing genuine feeling and enthusiasm into your voice and your expressions when you communicate. We've all been in conversations with someone who speaks in a flat, monotone voice, barely changing their expression. It's incredibly difficult to stay engaged, isn't it? Their words might be perfectly logical, but they lack impact because they lack life. On the other hand, someone who speaks with emotion uses variations in pitch, pace, and volume. Their face lights up when they're passionate, their eyebrows convey curiosity, and their smile radiates warmth. Why is this so crucial for charisma? Because people feel what you feel. Emotions are contagious. When you express genuine enthusiasm, joy, or even thoughtful reflection, you invite others to share in that experience with you. You make your stories more vivid, your opinions more compelling, and your presence more memorable. This means being authentic, allowing your true feelings to shine through in your communication. It's about telling a story with your voice and your face, not just with your words. It makes your interactions richer, deeper, and far more engaging. So, next time you're sharing something, whether it's a story, an idea, or just a simple observation, don't be afraid to let your emotions come through. Let your voice rise and fall, let your eyes sparkle, and let your genuine feelings animate your words. Moving on to our fourth habit, one that is often overlooked but incredibly powerful in building deep connection. Ask meaningful questions. Most people love to talk about themselves, their experiences, and their perspectives. When you ask meaningful questions, you're not just being polite. You're signaling genuine curiosity and respect for the other person. This isn't about rapid-fire interrogation or asking generic, "How are you?" questions that elicit a rote response. It's about asking open-ended questions that invite deeper thought and conversation. Instead of, "Did you have a good weekend?" try, "What was the highlight of your weekend?" Or, "What's something interesting you learned or did recently?" These questions go beyond surface-level small talk and tap into what truly matters to someone. They show that you're not just waiting for your turn to speak, but that you're genuinely interested in understanding their world. When someone feels truly listened to and understood, a powerful connection is forged. It builds trust, rapport, and makes them feel valued. Charismatic people aren't just great talkers. They're even better listeners and question askers. They have a way of making you feel like the most interesting person in the room. So, cultivate that curiosity. Ask questions that open doors to deeper conversation, and watch how quickly connections bloom. Curiosity isn't just about information. It's about building genuine human connection. And finally, our fifth and perhaps most liberating habit for becoming more charismatic: own your uniqueness. In a world that often pressures us to conform, to fit into neat little boxes, true charisma blossoms when you embrace and express what makes you uniquely you. This isn't about being arrogant or attention-seeking. It's about having the courage to be authentic, to let your true personality, your quirks, your passions, and your distinct point of view shine through. Think about charismatic individuals you admire. They rarely feel generic. They have a certain flair, a distinct way of seeing the world, a unique sense of humor, or a particular passion that defines them. When you own your uniqueness, you exude a powerful sense of self-acceptance and confidence. And confidence, my friends, is absolutely contagious. When you're comfortable in your own skin, it gives others permission to be comfortable in theirs. You become an inspiration. People are drawn to authenticity. They're drawn to individuals who aren't afraid to stand out from the crowd in a positive, self-assured way. This means celebrating your strengths, acknowledging your quirks, and not trying to be someone you're not. Your individuality is your superpower. Don't hide it. Showcase it. When you confidently express who you are, you don't just attract people. You attract the right people, those who appreciate and resonate with your authentic self. So, embrace your unique style, your unique perspective, and your unique energy. Let your true self shine, because that, in itself, is incredibly magnetic. There you have it, 5 powerful habits that can transform your interactions and make you truly magnetic. Remember, charisma isn't some mystical quality reserved for a select few. It is a skill, a set of behaviors you can practice, refine, and integrate into your daily life. Start small, pick one habit this week, and focus on it. Practice being fully present in your conversations. Pay attention to your body language. Infuse your voice with emotion. Ask those deeper, more meaningful questions. And most importantly, embrace and own your wonderful uniqueness. The more you practice these habits, the more naturally they'll become a part of who you are, and the more effortlessly you'll connect with others. The world needs more genuine, engaging connections, and you have the power to create them. Share your energy, share your authentic self, and watch as you become the kind of person everyone wants to lean in and listen to. Thank you so much for watching today. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly social mastery tips, confidence boosters, and communication insights. Your support means the world to me, and I'm so grateful to have you as part of our community. Until next time, stay charismatic, stay confident, and keep shining.